Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Films and Customs. Today's video will be about how you can make your own stories using videos or images from Pixabay and sound effects by Pixabay. Hello and welcome back to my channel. As I say in the intro, what's happening? What's going on with it? What?
Hello, I like to play a game. The rules are simple. Go to Films and Costumes by Alejandro, the stores, where you will find great merchandises at great prices. The links are below this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Disregard this and you will pay the consequences. Happy Halloween. Ha 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 ha.
Ooh, I was scared. That was the Billy the Puppet. So anyway, because we are in Halloween, so happy Halloween for all of you. So like I said before, it's very easy if you have the script but you don't know how to bring it to reality. This short video is gonna let you know about it. So the first thing that you have to do is like once you have the script right written, then you just go line by line, which is much better or easier for you. For example, if you have a horror story, then what you can do is, for example, there's a creepy house at the end of the road. So then you just type creepy houses on Pixabay, and then it's a myriad of pictures that's gonna come out showing you different styles of haunted or scary houses. Then if the second line of your script said, a car was approaching in the middle of the night, then you just type, car approaching a house, and so a girl was screaming in the house. So then you start looking for a girl screaming, whether it's a nighttime, daytime. There were wolves around the houses, and then you found looking for pictures on Pixabay that shows a wolf or wolves um, around a creepy house or attacking a girl or a boy or an old lady, whatever, whatever is in your script. So there's plenty of pictures that you can find according to your own idea. Then once you have all these images or videos, right? Then what you have to do is add the special sounds and background music as well. So Pixabay offers all that for free. So what you have to do is just go, with rain or lighting or, howling or screaming and thunderstorm, everything that you can imagine for your movie. Then all you have to do is type it on Pixabay, and automatically it's gonna come out different choices. And well, that's it. That's very simple. All you have to do is just on Pixabay, be able to find the closest images or videos for your idea, the one that are closer to your idea. And then once you have all this together, whether it's for YouTube content or you want to show it to somebody, right? To a director, to a person, at least you already have that in a very more clear way. People can see it, like, all this sequence of images and with the sound and everything. Then you will be able to make it better and make it more professional. I do have the link. I'm gonna provide the link for these two let's say short stories that I made using this method, using Pixabay sound effects and Pixabay videos and Pixabay images. And then I did my voiceover in this little storytelling. So I hope you like my video. If you like it, please thumbs up, share, comment, and be successful.